मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और सम्राट अशोक का राजा था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ हर 50 मील पर रूप, पहनावा, मजहब बदल जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसे अपने भूगोल के पहले इस ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझा जाता था। A very good evening to one and all present here. This is Tanvi Margade from class 7, and today I am going to talk on the topic a culture of integrity for the prosperity of the nation. A culture of integrity is vital for the prosperity of any nation. Integrity, characterized by honesty, transparency and accountability, serves as a foundation for long-term success and sustainable development. When citizens and leaders uphold these values, trust is built between individuals, leaders, government, and the businesses, creating a conducive environment for economic growth and sustainable social harmony. With integrity, corruption is reduced, which is a significant impediment in many countries. When corruption is reduced, public resources are allocated more efficiently, ensuring healthcare, infrastructure, education, and other critical sectors receive the funding and the attention they deserve. This enhances national unity. When the rule of law is respected, people start to believe in justice. This enhances fairness and equality. In a society, merit should be rewarded, innovation should be flourished, and talented individuals should be allowed to contribute to the country's progress without the fear of discrimination and favoritism. This enhances the global reputation of the country. Countries with a strong commitment to ethical practices attract international partnerships as they are viewed to be stable and reliable. This enhances trade, tourism, and diplomatic relationships, which further bolsters the economic growth of the country. In conclusion, a culture of integrity is vital for the prosperity of any nation, including India, Singapore, any nation. It not only ensures that the efficient use of public resources and strengthening of social bond, but it also paves the way for a just, thriving and progressive society. I would like to end my speech with a quote. जिस दिन तेरी फतेह की परचम इस मिट्टी पर लहराएगा, जिस दिन तेरी फतेह की परचम इस मिट्टी पर लहराएगा, क्या जमीन क्या आसमान ये हिंदुस्तान मिल जाएगा। थैंक यू।